If you've been searching for a professional voice chat solution that actually feels like it belongs in your Unity project, you've found it. No complex workarounds, no fighting with the engine. Just a high-performance, drop-in solution for your next multiplayer hit. We're talking 1, 2, 3 done levels of simplicity, but we didn't sacrifice quality for speed. You're getting high-fidelity audio that actually sounds professional. Most voice chat solutions fall short because they ignore your game's soundscape, like heavy ambient music or those critical explosion effects. Our plugin is smarter. It utilizes a built-in playback listener to feed your game's audio back into the audio capturer. The result? Advanced noise suppression and echo cancellation that keeps player communication crystal clear, even in the loudest firefights. To set it up, simply attach the playback listener component below your audio listener as the final component in the stack. And because we're built for Unity, you have total creative control. Want to apply a low-pass filter for an underwater scene? Or a reverb for a massive haul? Just apply your standard audio filter mono-behavior components right after our audio component. And here's the best part. You can finally forget about Steam voice restrictions. If you're developing for a region where the Steam network is limited or blocked, our solution keeps your game running. We provide the full server files and an install script so you can set up your own service with a local cloud provider. You get total control over your infrastructure, no matter where you are in the world. Whether you're using a standard setup or a custom WebSocket game server, our custom group component lets you override events to match your specific architecture perfectly. No matter what platform you're targeting, Windows, Mac, Linux, iOS, or Android, your players will stay connected. We've optimized this to be as lightweight as possible, so your mobile performance won't take a hit. Stop struggling with clunky setups and start building your community. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more Unity development tools. I'd love to hear what you're working on, so leave a comment below. Grab the plugin at the link in the description or hop into our Discord if you have any questions. We can't wait to